The human brain is one of the most complex and quietly powerful structures in the known universe, gently working in the background every moment of your life without ever asking for attention, allowing your thoughts, memories, emotions, and dreams to exist naturally and effortlessly. As you listen, there is nothing you need to remember or focus on, because these calm science facts are meant only to guide your mind into a slower rhythm where curiosity softens and rest becomes easier. The human brain weighs about 3 pounds, yet it contains nearly 86 billion neurons, each one forming slow and delicate connections that allow information to travel smoothly and quietly through your nervous system. Every thought you have ever had is the result of gentle electrical signals moving across vast networks of brain cells, flowing in patterns so subtle that you never consciously feel them happening. Your brain uses about 20% of your body's total energy, even when you are resting, quietly maintaining balance, awareness, and internal harmony without interruption. Despite its complexity, the brain has no pain receptors, which means it cannot feel pain itself, even though it carefully interprets pain signals from the rest of the body. The surface of the brain is folded into soft ridges and grooves, increasing its surface area so more neurons can exist within a small and efficient space. These folds develop slowly as the brain grows, shaping the way you learn, remember, and experience the world around you. The brain communicates with the rest of the body through the spinal cord, a calm and steady information highway that carries signals up and down without pause. Your brain is constantly predicting the world around you, quietly comparing expectations with reality to help you move smoothly through your environment. Most of this prediction happens automatically, without effort, allowing your conscious mind to rest while the brain handles details in the background. The human brain is divided into two hemispheres, left and right, which work together in constant cooperation rather than competition. Although different areas specialize in different tasks, the brain functions as a unified whole, gently coordinating thought, movement, and emotion. The outer layer of the brain, called the cerebral cortex, is responsible for higher thinking, imagination, and conscious awareness. Beneath the cortex lie older brain structures that regulate breathing, heart rate, and sleep, quietly maintaining life without requiring conscious input. Sleep is one of the brain's most important functions, allowing neural connections to reset, strengthen, and organize information gathered throughout the day. During sleep, the brain becomes highly active in a calm and structured way, processing memories and clearing metabolic waste that accumulates during waking hours. The brain has a built-in cleaning system that becomes most efficient while you sleep, gently washing away unnecessary byproducts to maintain clarity and balance. Dreams are created by the brain as it weaves together fragments of memory, emotion, and imagination, often without logical structure or conscious control. Even when you are not aware of it, your brain is always adapting, changing its connections in response to experience, learning, and rest. This ability to change is called neuroplasticity, and it allows the brain to remain flexible and resilient throughout life. Neuroplasticity works slowly and quietly, strengthening frequently used pathways and allowing unused connections to fade naturally over time. The brain processes information more slowly during relaxed states, which is why calm environments feel safer and easier to rest in. Your sense of time is created entirely by the brain, which means time can feel slower or faster depending on your mental state. When the brain relaxes, time often feels stretched and gentle, creating a natural pathway towards sleep. The brain does not distinguish sharply between imagination and perception, which is why calming thoughts can physically relax the body. Breathing slowly sends signals to the brain that it is safe to rest, allowing stress responses to fade naturally. The brain evolved over millions of years, gradually adding new layers while preserving older structures that regulate instinct and survival. These older parts of the brain are especially active during sleep, maintaining essential functions while the conscious mind rests. The brain's ability to regulate emotion depends on slow communication between emotional centers and rational processing areas. When this communication is calm and balanced, emotional responses soften and become easier to manage. The brain releases neurotransmitters, which are chemical messengers that move gently across tiny gaps between neurons to transmit signals. Some neurotransmitters promote alertness, while others encourage calmness and relaxation. As night approaches, the brain increases the production of melatonin, a hormone that signals it is time to sleep. Melatonin levels rise slowly, guiding the body toward rest without sudden changes or sharp transitions. The brain responds strongly to light, which is why darkness naturally supports sleep and mental calm. Even small reductions in light can signal the brain to slow down and prepare for rest. The brain uses patterns and rhythms to organize information, which is why repetitive and gentle sounds feel soothing. Silence also plays an important role, allowing the brain to settle without stimulation. The brain consumes information even when you are not paying attention, quietly filtering what matters and discarding what does not. Most of this filtering happens without awareness, protecting your conscious mind from overload. Your brain has never experienced the present moment exactly the same way twice, because each moment is shaped by memory and expectation. Despite this, the brain continuously seeks balance, favoring stable and predictable patterns. Calm environments reduce the brain's need to scan for threats, allowing energy to be redirected toward rest and repair. The brain's default state is not constant activity, but gentle readiness, shifting smoothly between alertness and relaxation. When you lie still, your brain gradually reduces sensory input, helping your awareness drift inward. This inward focus is a natural bridge between wakefulness and sleep. The brain does not shut down during sleep. Instead, it changes the way it processes information. Different stages of sleep allow different forms of memory consolidation and emotional regulation. Deep sleep is particularly important for physical restoration and long-term brain health. During deep sleep, brain waves slow significantly, creating a steady and peaceful rhythm. These slow waves help synchronize neural activity, promoting stability and calm. The brain also plays a role in regulating immune function, indirectly supporting physical health through rest. Regular sleep helps maintain the brain's ability to focus, adapt, and respond gently to challenges. Without sufficient rest, the brain becomes more reactive, interpreting neutral signals as stressful. This is why calm sleep routines support emotional balance. The brain's perception of safety is closely linked to predictability, quiet, and slow sensory input. Gentle voices, steady pacing, and soft tones signal to the brain that it can let go. Your brain does not need effort to sleep, it only needs permission. By reducing stimulation, the brain naturally transitions into rest. Even listening passively allows the brain to slow its internal dialogue. The brain thrives on consistency, which is why similar nighttime routines feel comforting. Over time, the brain learns to associate calm sounds and dim environments with sleep. This association strengthens naturally, without conscious effort. The brain is always listening, even when awareness fades. As you rest, neural activity gradually becomes more synchronized and stable. Thoughts lose sharp edges and begin to drift. This drifting is a sign that the brain is preparing for sleep. Nothing needs to be forced. The brain knows how to rest. It has done so every night of your life. You can allow it to continue quietly, gently, and naturally.